Do you feel completely overwhelmed with your Medicare options? Have you been inundated with mailers and phone calls? You're definitely not alone. But don't worry, there is help. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of this very short, informative video to learn all about your Medicare options with no sales pressure. Hi there, my name is Sarah and I'm here with iHealthBrokers. At iHealthBrokers, we've helped thousands of people save money on their Medicare coverage and even more learn and understand about their Medicare coverage through our YouTube tutorials. Now, as health insurance brokers, our job is to work for you, not the insurance carrier. And the purpose of this short, informative video is to give you a basic foundation to understand your Medicare options so that you can make the best decision for you. But of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to send us a message or call us at the number on the screen. There's no charge for our services. Now, with Medicare, you have two main options. You can either choose Original Medicare, and you can supplement that with a Medicare Supplement plan, also known as a Medigap plan, and then also add a prescription drug plan, which is your Part D. Or you could choose to go the Medicare Advantage route, which is also known as Medicare Part C. There are a few key differences between the two, and no one plan is better than another. The first thing that you need to understand is the cost structure. With Medigap plans, you will have to pay an additional premium. However, these plans will take care of a large portion of your copays, your coinsurance, and your deductibles. When you use your Medicare for a doctor's visit or hospital procedure or any type of Medicare covered service, you will likely have no cost or a very low cost depending upon the supplement plan you choose. Now, Medicare Advantage plans are just the opposite. Very often you'll have a very low monthly premium or possibly no monthly premium at all. You'll just need to continue to pay for Medicare Part B. However, there will be co-pays and co-insurance and deductibles when you actually utilize your Medicare coverage. Then there are networks to take into consideration. With Medicare supplement plans, if your doctor or hospital accepts Medicare, then they accept your supplement plan. And almost all doctors and hospitals accept Original Medicare. This is not the case with Medicare Advantage. With Medicare Advantage, your doctor or hospital must accept your plan. They must be in network. And this can be a little bit difficult dependent upon the plan that you choose and where you live. You should also be aware of referrals and pre-authorization. With Medicare Advantage, you will need a referral from your primary care physician, or PCP, to see a specialist. And even if you do get that referral, you may need pre-authorization from your actual insurance company, the insurance carrier, to receive said services. Whether it's a test or some type of procedure, you may need pre-authorization, which means you could be denied or at the very least have a longer waiting period. With Medicare supplement plans, you don't need to worry about this. And remember, Medicare supplement plans, also known as Medigap plans, are standardized. So Plan G will be Plan G regardless of who your carrier is. The same can be said of Plan K, Plan L, Plan N, etc. This is not the case with Medicare Advantage. This can make comparison shopping a little bit trickier. However, there is an upside. Many Medicare Advantage plans will offer additional benefits, things like dental, vision, prescription drug coverage, and hearing, which are not offered by Medicare supplement plans. If you're ready to take the next steps, you have a few options. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video and click the link to our A to Z Medicare playlist. This entirely free tutorial will help prepare you for your Medicare journey. You can also learn more by contacting us directly at iHealthBrokers, either at iHealthBrokers.com or via the number on the screen. Now, whatever choice you do make, please make sure to act sooner rather than later. Many people put off their Medicare enrollment and thus are enrolled in a plan that is less than ideal. Thank you so much for joining me today. If there's any way that we can make this process easier for you, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.